All the other green crystals are considered to be calming, soothing, warming, cool energies, balancing. Moldavite, no, it's just completely on another scale. So it's actually, as we said, it's a dark green form of tektite, and it is a kind of fused glass which formed with meteor showers hit the earth millions of years ago. And I believe this is so, and this is basically coming from my own personal experience, as well as what I have heard other people say about Moldavite and talk about their own personal stories. You can check them out on a lot of these on YouTube, as well as on different blogs that you can read about this people's experience with Moldavite. So it's a wonderful, powerful, transformative stone. And in terms of the geology behind Moldavite, it's actually a dark green form of tektite, and we've talked about the power of green stones before in relation to jade, in relation to emerald, in relation to peridot. All the other green crystals are considered to be calming, soothing, warming, cool energies, balancing. Moldavite, no, it's not crystalline in structure because it has swirls, it has bubbles, it has craters, it has other unusual shapes because of the fact that it's basically sourced as a molten origin. And even black and brown tektites of Moldavite exist, but these are quite rare, so you're mostly likely to find dark green Moldavite in mostly stores. And in terms of the historical uses of Moldavite, it's very fascinating because of its extraterrestrial origin, and it's basically a fusion of different elements from space with geological deposits on the surface of the earth. Moldavite is mainly used to make jewelry now. All these wonderful crystals such as labradorite, emerald, peridot, all these crystals can give you that soothing energy, transformative energy, but without the extra chaos that Moldavite can come with. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know if you've tried Moldavite and if you feel comfortable explaining your experience with it. I'd love to hear from you in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe in order to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye.